Hhayi, sanibona-ke nabendlu emnyama. Eyi, sinenkinga la. Nangu lana uRuto Sharon useze waba na-100,000 followers. uRuto Sharon udifenda nje yena-ke ubukhona bakhe la eSouth Africa as a foreigner. Yabo. Ngicela nje ukunikhombisa kancane izinto ay'shoyo kumaphosta akhe. Ukuzidifenda as a foreigner. Angiyi-understand-i inzondo engako ukuthi iqhamukaphi because le nzondo le ibhanqa wonke umuntu, ngisho umuntu ongenankinga nama-foreigner manje ugcine esenenkinga nama-foreigner. Uthi-ke lana, lokhu okwama-poor South Africans iyona nto abanayo-ke le abachoma ngayo. Uyabo? Uthi nje iyona nto esichoma ngayo le lamabhuku lawa, cause yena akanalo. So uthi thina-ke hhayi siyayitshela because sinaleli bhuku leli. The only thing poor South Africans own is this Dombas. Nothing else in their name to show except for the ID. Okay. Okay, hhayi, it's okay. That one is okay. And look. Uveza lo mkhukhu lo, and then ekugcineni uthi the houses South Africans come out from before they come on social media platforms and say foreigners smell armpits, they don't use deodorants. I don't know what that is. The imikuku looks like a pig, what. Okay, alright. And then nangulana uthi nogesi siwuthole eZimbabwe, respect Mozambique. Oh, siwuthole Mozambique. If we continue calling them amakwerekwere, they will cut off their electricity. South Africa must respect Zimbabwe because electricity comes from Mozambique. I mean Mozambique. Yo, okay. Okay, when you see this picture and then you read here, it says, I don't think there's anyone or any African who wishes to be South African. Nobody. People are just in South Africa to hustle. That's why you see them going back home during holidays. Yes, South Africa may be ahead of other countries, of other African countries, in terms of economic development and infrastructure, which is beautiful. Where am I? And done by whites, not even by black South Africans, but South Africa is never safe to stay. Not so welcoming, too much violence, xenophobia, and now things like Operation Tudula. When people go to South Africa, the main goal is to get money, to start business, then go back home. But in some situations, you find some people struggling to get capital. That's why they end up staying so long. Okay. Simiyeke lo. Angazi noma uyena lo usisi lo, but lezi iy'thombe ay'phostayo nje lezi impela. But I doubt ukuthi umuntu angayiphosta iy'thombe zakhe ube kuthiwa ukhuluma into ey'nje and uhlala la eSouth Africa. I don't think uyayiphosta iy'thombe zakhe. I think wena uyayifihla yena uqobo lakhe. So la uthi ama-South Africans asibiza ngamakwerekwere are those who live in Mikuku waiting for their 370 from the government. 370, that is not enough. My weekly data bundle. Oh, enough for my weekly data bundle is what they depend on. Is what South Africans depend on. They think owning an ID is what makes them special even without a better life. Focused South Africans have no time for nonsense and are chasing the bag to improve their lives. But Lama Para, yo. Oh, focused sense, not focused South Africans. It's them who's mighty sense. Utianas Para. Okay. My advice to South Africans: an ID is a document that's meant for individual identification purposes. It's not a qualification. Let me tell you this for free. since most of you are not good at traveling. Okay. In Zimbabwe, we have IDs. In Zambia, they have their own IDs there. In Malawi, guys, there are IDs in every country. So standing in front of a public and bragging, hey, mina ngine ID, mina, the thing, be it green book, plastic or aluminum card, it brings absolutely nothing into your life. This would be a different story if we were talking about a passport. Wow, okay. At least besides being an identity document, it has got other purposes. Okay. Alright, seyica ibhizi bo le account ya nami sengiphelelwa isikhathi la ngizothi ukufunda mbalwa bese ngisho-ke nami ukuthi yini esingayenza ukuthi siqede nje inyanga le account ngoba njengoba dingisho ukuthi asikhandeni ethi platform abantu basubscribe bangifollowe ukuze sizokwazi ukuba nepower because njengamanje ngiyazi lento leyo ukuthi izocasula abantu abaningi. So ilula nje bafethu into esizoyenza ilula, simple. You come here, uza la, and then uthi report. Ngena ku-report. Something about this profile. Come on, Facebook. And then which one are we going to choose here? Hateful, disturbing content, or harassment, abuse? Which one are we going to use? Scam, fraud, false information. Scam, fraud, false information. Sharing false information. Thanks for letting us know. And then you press done. Just press done. Yeah, you'll be fine. So yeah, ke lona lo sisi hayi cha impela hayi kabe senzeni my sister. Hayi we are broke, we are poor, we are sihola abo 370 singamaphara. Like hey cha uyazonda. Mina into engiyishoyo engiyicelayo kubantu bakithi asiqiniseni abahambe. Yabo, asina choice. We don't have a choice, bruh. Abahambe. They must go. They must go. At this point, bruh, buka ukuthi beyisa kanjani labantu laba. Buka into esiyivumele bafethu. Buka into esiyivumele. Bukani. Lo muntu uyaphapha, uyabreka, uyabonakala ukuthi uhleli kamnandi la khona. Akaholi no-370. Wena ubhizi uhola no-370, uyachwensa, ukhuluma ngawe manje. Kuthiwa wena manje uhola u-370. Wena uyiphara. Wow, bro. Wow.